When you open CtrlOps, head to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. Inside that menu, you'll find an option called Scripts. Click that, and CtrlOps opens your script directory. This is the place where you can create, organize, and manage reusable scripts for your servers. Now, if this is your first time opening it, you'll see an empty state that says there are no scripts yet. To create your first one, just click New Script. That opens a simple form where you can define everything about your script in one place. On the left, you add the actual script commands. On the right, you fill in the details that help you recognize and reuse it later. Start with the name. This should be something familiar and easy to remember. Then add tags. Tags help you categorize your scripts, maybe by technology like Node.js, or by purpose like install, start, production, or staging. Next comes the description. This is useful when the title and tags are not enough, and you want a quick human explanation of what the script actually does. And then you have variables. Variables are one of the most powerful parts of this feature. If your script includes placeholders like double curly braces, CtrlOps automatically detects them and lets you provide values later when the script runs. So instead of hard-coding everything, you can build one flexible script and reuse it again and again with different values. Let's create a practical example. Here, I'm pasting a simple script that installs and starts an app. It includes two variables, one for the app name and one for the command we want to run after installation. Now, on the right, I'll give this script a name. Install and start script. For tags, I'll use install and start. And for the description, I'll add something simple like, this script we will use to install and start any app, like Nginx. Since CtrlOps has already detected the variables from the script, they appear automatically in the variables section. You can add default values if you want, but for now, we'll skip that. Once everything looks good, just click Create Script. And that's it. The script is now saved in your script directory. The best part is that this script is not tied to just one server. It becomes available throughout CtrlOps, so you can use it across every server you connect to. Now let's see how that works. Once you connect to any server and open the AI Terminal tab, you will notice a Scripts button right next to the AI Assistant. Click that, and a script panel opens on the right side. Here, you can see all the scripts you've created in the script directory. And if you want, you can also create a new script directly from here using the plus icon. And it will show up in your script directory as well. Now, to run any script, just click the Run button on that script card. First, CtrlOps asks for confirmation before executing it. And if the script contains variables, CtrlOps opens one more step, where you can fill in those values before running anything. In our case, we want to install and start Nginx. So for the app variable, I'll enter Nginx, and for the CMD variable, I'll enter systemctl start Nginx. As soon as I fill those values, CtrlOps shows me exactly what will run in the terminal. And when I click Run in the terminal, the script executes directly on the connected server. Now in the terminal, you can see the script start, run the commands, and complete successfully. And just like that, Nginx is installed and started on the server. That's the power of scripts in CtrlOps. Instead of copy-pasting the same commands again and again for every new server, you can create your scripts once, save them, and reuse them anywhere, write once, run anywhere, across all your servers directly from CtrlOps.